In the heart of Sundarban, a thick forest of emerald leaves and winding rivers, lived three unlikely best friends. Rumi the thoughtful rabbit, Pico the chatty parrot, and Veer the mighty lion. Though others questioned their bond, the trio flourished together. Veer had strength, Rumi had cleverness, and Pico had a voice that echoed hope. One day, dark clouds of trouble came to Sundarban. A wildfire broke out in the far valley, threatening the homes of many animals. Pico flew ahead, warning everyone of danger. His wings beat with urgency as he cried, "To the riverbank, follow the breeze, away from the flames." Rumi studied the wind and found a path through tunnels and hedges. With tiny paws, she led frightened creatures to safety. Her quiet courage gave direction when panic ruled. Veer stayed back at the forest's edge, using his roar to guide the lost toward safe ground. He carried the weak on his back, shielding them from falling branches. When the fire subsided and the forest began to heal, the animals cheered for their rescuers. But it wasn't brute strength or speed alone that saved them. It was the blend of instinct, intellect, and empathy. And moral of the story: true friendship doesn't rely on similarity. It grows through respect, cooperation, and the willingness to lift each other when one stumbles. No gift is too small to make a big impact.